So now SEO is one method or way of generating leads for you. Which are the other methods or ways that you could use and generate
Google
the?
performance marketing.
What is this performance marketing? Yeah, before we come there, which are the other channels? Which are the other channels or places from which you can generate the leads or
So
leverage it for
performance
your business?
marketing,
Ah,
Google Ads, social media,
okay,
Quora, and um affiliate marketing.
okay,
That's it, sir.
okay. Listen, yeah. So, email marketing, affiliate marketing, content marketing, social media marketing, social media optimization or marketing, app store optimization, right? So these are the various other channels. So and the platforms like marketing on the business directories. There are many more, right? So we are done with SEO and we also learned how to build the websites. And now it's time to get started with performance marketing. See, performance marketing is basically where for every rupee you are going to spend on the marketing channel, you are going to measure the outcome, measure the performance of the campaigns, right? Wherever you are spending money on the platforms like Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, Twitter ads, Quora ads, all this fall under the category of performance marketing. If you are spending money on their respective ad platforms and trying to see a progress happening from those campaigns or measuring the progress or performance of those campaigns, they all can be categorized as performance marketing activity. And the person who runs all these paid ads, it could be Google, Bing, or Facebook, social media, I mean like Facebook, Instagram, it can be any other platform. They are simply called as performance marketers. Okay. So if person is very well versed with Google ads, probably he might call himself as Google ads expert, or companies would designate him as Google ads expert. So a majority of the companies are just looking for Google ads experts. They're not really needing all kinds of expertise. They're just expecting people to be very well versed with Google ads. Okay, so let's go there quickly and get started with how do we launch the ads, how do we use the platform, what kind of platform, right? Right? Okay. See, with regard to performance marketing, we will get started with Google Ads as the first platform. Has anybody ever seen how the platform looks like, the Google Ads platform?
No, sir.
Okay. So, according to you, what is your perception or understanding about the tool? You think it's easier to deal with or difficult,
Sir, moderate.
moderate difficulty level?
No, sir. Between easy and difficult. Moderate.
Okay. How about everybody else? How about everybody else? So, do you all at least I mean, like I'm assuming that everybody would probably know how the Google Ads look like. But is there anybody that who is that don't know the how the Google Ads look like and where and all, what and all it will be displayed or shown? Anybody here? Anyways, I'm going to explain everything and show it to you.
So the class is recording also.
I don't know. Why are you concerned about it? So you want to turn on and stay far from your computer? Sanjeev? So
Yes, sir.
you want to keep it on and move away?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So don't. Did I share the screen with all of you? I have shared, right?
Yes, sir.
You all could see the screen. Okay. See now, you must have seen ads on Google like this. So let me just go to the incognito and type Digital Marketing Training Institute in Bangalore. Look at this. These all are shown by a digital marketer. Probably even you might start showing up the ads like this in the near future. Okay. So in the near future, you will start showing ads like this, right? So performance marketers' responsibility is not just showing an ad like this. You might have also seen ads on various websites. So let me walk you through that. Zoho payroll. Okay. So I'm not interested in that ad. I'm just clicking close, and it's still loading. You could see here it's the page is still loading. There are many more ads yet to get loaded. Let's wait for it to load completely. You see here there's another ad here. Tirchuripalli to Kuwait. Some of the ads are not loading. So now, where do you? So from where do you think this all are managed? Who will be managing or who will be showing all of these ads? So you take YouTube. You all know, right, the ads. So while playing a video in between, you will see the ads, correct?
Yes, sir.
So the ads that you see on YouTube, the ads that you see on this page here, the ads that you see on the websites, any websites like this. So this ad also, including these kinds of ads, and the ads that you see on the Google here, all these are managed from one single platform or tool that's called as Google AdWords. If you are a Google AdWords expert, you're going to manage ads of all these kinds using that one tool. Not just that, I'll show you the ads. Look at the promotions here. You will see some ads in the Gmail, right? Yeah, this is ad Google Workspace, right? This is an ad. You can show ads on the Gmail. You can show ads on various other portals on the internet. You can show ads on the YouTube, both the video ads and the text ads in the videos. You can show ads on the shopping, Google Shopping. So I was just showing you, right? So this is Google Shopping ads. And look at this shopping, just click on shopping. So all these are ads and these are organic results. From here, it's all organic results. And above that, all are ads. So this first row is completely ads. So all these kinds of ads will be managed or implemented by a Google AdWords expert. Guys, are you all following it?
Yes, sir.
Right? So before we get started with all these ad types, I quickly want all of us to recall the push and pull marketing, which we were discussing long ago. Can anybody here explain what is push marketing and pull marketing?
Sir, push marketing is a product. Uh, We push to the audience the
Push marketing is an activity or effort in which you are just pushing the product to the customers or the prospects who are badly in need of it already. So people are already in need of it and they are looking for that product. And you as a business implement marketing activities such that you will make presence to all those people who are badly in need of it. That is push marketing. And pull marketing is regardless of their interest, need, want, necessity in the product, you are trying to educate them about the product or service. And these efforts, these marketing efforts, in trying to educate the people regardless of their need and necessity and trying to and trying to get a sale is called as pull marketing. You are trying to pull them in. Okay. So now can you tell me the ad that you see here, is it a push marketing activity or pull marketing activity?
so pull marketing.
Why is that so?
So this is very new. We don't even know what is it.
Okay. Okay, so there is no need or necessity for us now who is browsing this web page and they are randomly showing an ad, right? Correct?
Yes.
They are trying to educate us and sell their product or service. Correct? Right? And this is
Yes.
a pull marketing. And now tell me the ad that you see on this videos. Let me play some videos. You would probably see ads on these videos, right? And can you tell me, are they push marketing or pull marketing efforts? The ads that
Sir,
you
I
see,
guess in YouTube it is both push and pull marketing.
why is it both?
Because push marketing sometimes it makes sense that if we browse Myntra and if we go to YouTube, we get Myntra ads and when we are watching videos in
But
YouTube. So that is one. That is push marketing. But pull marketing sometimes unnecessary from Skylar and this IIT people saying that Excel 9 rupees. That those kind of ads, which
no,
is
even those are
unnecessary. But
relevant to you, right? See, you are taking digital marketing training, and they know that you
Mhm.
are looking for to upskill yourself or interested in various kinds of courses, and they have no clue that if you have already registered for digital marketing or not, and they are putting an effort. The Scalar, let's take example of Scalar,
Mhm.
right? So is that not
Yes, sir.
relevant for you?
It is relevant, sir, but not at that situation, right? I came to browse something else,
The same
but
is the case with
even though
Mintra as well, right? You must have visited Mintra,
yes,
decided not to buy, or you might have already purchased a pair of shoes, and again it shows to you
Mhm.
on YouTube. Is
Yeah,
that
that is
now
push.
is that now sensible? So you have already bought pair of shoes, and Mintra is showing ads to you again. Does that make sense for you now? Are
No,
you
but
really?
no, sir, but yeah, uh, but I have visited. That's how algorithm works, right?
That is
Even though I
okay.
buy
How
or I
it
don't buy,
see how it works? We are going to discuss that. So now, same way, whether you have registered for digital marketing course or not, whether you have bought a pair of shoes or not, just because you are able to relate, okay, I am browsing, I have browsed digital marketing course or I have browsed Mintra and again I'm seeing the same kinds of ads, does that mean that's a push marketing?
no.
So you have gone through the same scenario with regard to Scholar and with regard to Mintra, and you are calling one as push marketing and one as pull marketing now. How is that
Yes,
acceptable? See, if you
sir.
have seen suddenly book a flight ticket from Bangalore to Chennai, and where you would have never thought of booking a flight ticket, or somebody must be showing you a nice jewelry, imitation jewelry, and asking you to buy, right? So it's very clearly evident that it's a pull marketing. But when it comes to these two examples, Scalar and Mintra, you're calling one as push and one as pull. How is that?
No,
Either
so I
both
didn't
has
call
to.
both as push and pull. I said that in YouTube the advertisements are push and pull both works, not just this one push marketing. Because I don't even browse some kind of some
Products and
concepts,
services.
but I get those websites, those
Now
ads,
tell
right?
me the ads that you see from Mintra after browsing a Mintra website. and
Flipkart and Amazon.
after browsing Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Scholar, or maybe something relevant, you may have not visited Scholar website. What kind of ads are there now?
I get ITC website. This one ads.
Okay. Now tell me what kind of marketing is that? Push or pull marketing?
Those are full marketing.
Okay, perfect. Okay. See, why we are learning all this is it's very important as a performance marketer to understand all of these things. Give me 1 second, guys. As a performance marketer, you have to compulsorily understand these things. Otherwise, you are going to see a significant loss incurred out of your campaigns, marketing campaigns, or with the kind of options that you see on these platforms, you would end up wasting a lot of money on pull marketing when you desperately wanted to invest on push marketing. So that's the reason we are again just revising what is this push marketing and pull marketing, and you will get to see all of them. Okay. And now coming back, what is needed? Any idea what is needed to get started with the ads? Let's take these kinds of ads. Let's take these kinds of ads. So these are called. How does these campaigns work? Are you sending a postal card to Google asking them to show your ads here, or are you writing an email to them asking them to show the ads here? Excuse me. Are you calling them over the phone and asking them to do this? How is this happening? So Google has strictly told do not do any of these things. Okay, so I am going to create a software or the platform which will allow you to show the ads on the Google platform or maybe YouTube or various other platforms of them, display network, Gmail, everything. Boss, please try to do everything by yourself over that platform is what Google has instructed. The platform name is Google AdWords. That is which is going to help us to manage all these kinds of ads. And to get started with these kinds of ads, the first and the foremost thing that's needed for you is understanding about the keywords. Are you all following me?
Yes, sir.
Understanding about the keywords. What kind of understanding is needed? So in the past we have discussed keywords, right? If you all could recall, we have discussed about the match types as well. The keyword match types, exact, phrase, broad match, and broad match modifier. Do you all remember that?
Yes, sir.
So, can anyone brief me what is this exact match, broad match modifier, and the phrase match?
So synonym of those keywords, sir, or like how to, what, why,
No, no,
how
no.
to use
It's
this
not
product.
synonym. It's not synonym. Okay, see, the match types have basically originated in the process of Google giving you control over for what kind of terms and keywords you have to show on Google. Okay, so for example, when I instruct to Google digital marketing training, so this is called as, so if I'm instructing, see my instructions to Google on the platform will be either adding double quotes like this, not on the Google search, on the platform. Let me go back, you might get confused. Okay, see Google AdWords platform completely works on the inputs that you provide. Works on the inputs that you are going to provide. Okay, see if you say to Google show my ad only for digital marketing training, it shows only for digital marketing training. Okay, now you are fine to show ads anything that contains any keyword. See, people might search digital marketing training institute, digital marketing training classes, digital marketing training near me. Correct? Is it? Isn't it? So now, and sometimes what happens is I will not know what's running on their mind. Correct? So that's when I'll instruct to Google, boss, show my website to any keyword that you want from hundreds or thousands of keywords, but make sure it has digital marketing training in it. And in that process, I'll be instructing to Google just like this: digital marketing training input called as digital marketing training near me. Digital marketing training. Digital marketing is there, correct? Digital marketing, digital marketing. Either something is getting added to the front or at the backside of, make sure digital marketing training is in it, and exactly it has to be there in the keyword, but either at the start or at the end, there can be anything. Correct? Right? So these three are just the above three are just the examples of how the seed keyword triggers for the phrase match. We call it as phrase match. So phrase match. So if you want exactly the same term, and either at the start or at the end, if additional term can be added, and for all those keywords, if you want to show the ads, you have to put it in the phrase match. And phrase match is always communicated through double quotes. You all understood? So now case 2, or tell me, example, I'll take another keyword, that is digital marketing course training, right? So can you guys tell me, does the above seed keyword trigger this, trigger the ad for this keyword? Digital marketing course training. It's not digital marketing training, and there is nothing succeeding or preceding digital marketing training, but something else came in between. And now tell me, does a, I want all of you to be participating and understand this better, because this is most important to understand on the Google Ads part. Does a phrase match input, does a phrase match input something like this will trigger ads for keywords or the terms used like this on Google? We all know that for sure Google is going to show ads for these keywords. If somebody is typing best digital marketing training institute, or best digital marketing training institute near me, or digital marketing training near me, or any such terms, or at least considering these three examples, these three keywords, we know that Google ads are going to show our website ads. Google is going to show our website ads when the input is like this in phrase. Correct? Excuse me. Now tell me, is Google going to display your website or ad if the search term is this? Guys, are you understanding this? My question is simple. Now your input or instruction to Google Ads platform is digital marketing training. If people are searching digital marketing course training on Google, will Google display ad for them pertaining to this website? Are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Did you all get my question? Sailesh has left the call, left the class. Shreyas, Shivshar and Sanju. So, did you all get what is a phrase match, how phrase match works?
What praise match?
Yeah. So, Shreyas, will you be able to explain now what is that, how does it work? I just explained it to you guys, right? It's so easy. You are inputting a keyword like this, only one keyword, and you are telling that you can show ads to any keywords, but make sure digital marketing training is there in that keyword. See now, Google will show your ad for all these keywords or even hundreds of keywords, but it just makes sure the digital marketing training is there in that keyword. So guys, if you're not understanding it, you have to stop me, right? Correct? No, should I consider this to be as you guys understood or not understood? So that I'll
So you
proceed.
can explain in one second, once more means it will clearly understood, sir.
Shreyas and Shiv Sharan, how about you guys?
Hello, sir.
See, first thing you all have to understand is on Google, people search in different ways, correct? Isn't
Yes, sir.
it?
Yes, sir. Right.
Right? How do people search if they have to buy mobile phone? They search buy mobile phone, order mobile phone online, correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So you could only think of few terms, correct? But what is running on your mind and how you are going to search is that anybody can understand about it. Will you be able to understand how people are searching on Google?
Yes, sir. For me, no doubt, sir.
Sorry.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, if you mention the keyword, no, sir, digital marketing training, that is a praise match, sir, actually.
Phrase match. No, no, I'm just coming there. I just explained about the phrase match. We're going to deal with all match types. I just want to make sure if you guys have understood about the phrase match or not. Okay, now tell me you are selling mobile phone, right?
Okay, sir.
So let's assume you all are selling mobile phones, right? So see, Google gives you a control for you to show your ads for keywords whichever you would like to show. And do you know how people search for your product on Google?
Sure, we can come to know from Google Search Console.
From Google Search Console.
Mm-hmm.
If there is no Google Search Console, your website is not at all optimized for search engines and you don't have Google Search Console. How do you will get to know?
How do you know? By searching the competitors, sir,
What you will
their
search?
keywords.
From where you will get their keywords? How will you get their keywords? See, we are not able to know that something that's available for free, and how will we able to get to know about competitors? Something that's
So, are you
easily
asking the keyword for title or keyword for what, sir? Like keyword for what?
forget about the title. Keyword. See now I told you there is a control mechanism. You can decide for which keywords you want to show ads. Obviously, in that
Mm-hmm.
case, you have to tell to Google, right? I want to show up for digital marketing training or buy mobile phones or buy washing machine. Correct? You should be
Yes, sir.
able to tell it to Google Ads, right? The
Yes.
platform you should be able to tell to the platform for which all keywords you want to show your business. Correct? And
Yes.
now in the process, we realized if you are selling washing machines or mobile phones, it's important to understand how are being washing machines or mobile phones searched on Google, correct? That's when you
Yes.
can tell to Google, right? Google show my ad for buy washing machines or order washing machine or book washing machine, correct?
Yes.
Right? Now my first question is how do you understand how are people searching on Google?
In Google only we'll search bar is there. So in that only we get suggestions how people are searching.
Will you be able to get all of them?
Not all of them. At least some we'll get to know. And another thing is search engine. Sorry, not search engine. Google Search Console. That is
Okay.
what you thought as.
No, Google Search Console I had thought for a different purpose. Okay, let's assume. Okay, Google Search Console also. Let's assume. So by going to the Google autocomplete, you have found some 20 keywords, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but let's assume your product is being searched in 20 different ways. How about the 20,000 different ways? Your product is being Googled in 20,000 different ways. How do you show ads for all those 20,000 keywords also? First thing is you're not able to find all those 20,000 keywords, correct?
Yes.
Second thing is how do you show, even if you find, will it be possible to show ads for all those 20,000 keywords? Or how do we manage or handle it to show for all those 20,000 keywords?
No
Okay.
idea, sir.
So no idea, right? See, that's why Google has given a controlling mechanism or controlling power for all of us to handle both ranking for the keywords which you don't know also how people are going to search in 20,000 different ways. You have no clue, correct? But still, Google has given you an opportunity to show your ads for all those 20,000 searches which are going to happen or is happening. But you would have not found which are those 20,000 searches, or you cannot practically feed all the 20,000 keywords also to your Google Ads account as an input. For several reasons, you cannot feed all the 20,000 keywords because you cannot feed a keyword which has fewer searches. It wants you to feed a keyword which has more number of searches. And second thing, so now the keywords will get into a conflict. So when you are adding several number of keywords, the two keywords, any set of keywords would get into a conflict. You will be adding keywords with just slight change in it, right? Either something at the front or something at the back, correct? Or something in between, correct? Correct, guys? Not understanding it.
So can you explain in some short way, sir, with an example, sir?
That's what I'm trying to do. Okay. Okay. Let me take you to the ads interface. Yeah. So now this is a campaign to show ads on Google search in Bangalore region. And and this is the name given for the ad copy which is going to trigger ads for a set of keywords, and we call that as ad group. And see now, the guy who is working on this ads platform on this project VLSI, he wants the their business or ad to be shown on Google Ads for these keywords: VLSI course, VLSI training, VLSI course in Bangalore, VLSI certification, VLSI training course. You see how many? One, two, three, four, five. He has inputted five keywords. He is communicating to bot, boss, please show my website on Google where somebody is using the term VLSI course, VLSI training, VLSI course in Bangalore, VLSI certification, VLSI training course. Okay. So now, if people are using these keywords, he's telling that show this ad to them. Where is the ad here? If people are using any of these keywords, show them this ad. Show them this ad. If people are using VLSI course or VLSI training or VLSI training institute, he has instructed show VLSI training institute 100% placement guaranteed, something like this. You would see exactly the same kind of presentation, or we want Google ads as well. So there is no balance. Otherwise, you would have seen VLSI training institute in Bangalore. You see here VLSI Guru, Chip Edge, Takshila, VLSI, Cranes, Varsity. Okay. So now I'll type VLSI training. And again, you would see the same ads. It's not displaying the ads because I'm not clicking on the ads. So now again, you see the ads for VLSI course this time. So earlier it was VLSI Training Institute. And if you look at this, Same at VLSI training with placement up to 40% off on VLSI courses. Is something that can be controlled by you. Okay. So in order to control that, you have to understand how the keyword match types work. So how to control all this? So you are deciding to show your website on Google for certain set of keywords, right? But for that, you cannot simply add some set of keywords here. You cannot simply, I'm just coming back to the place where you are adding the keywords. Yeah. So you cannot simply add some keywords here. If you are doing so, you would see significant loss incurred from your paid campaigns. So in order to do that, you have to understand the different keyword match types. You see here phrase match and exact match. This is different. And look at the exact match, how it is looking. It's in the square brackets and this is in the double quotes. Now, what does this square brackets indicate? It's indicating its exact match. What does this exact match do? And what does this double quotes indicate? It's a phrase match. What does this phrase match do? These are the only two match types. Are there any other match types? Right? So previously Google had another match types. Even now the broad match and the broad match modifier. So what are these match types is what we have to discuss today. Okay. So now what happens when you bid on VLSI course in a phrase match or VLSI training in a phrase match? That's what I was trying to explain to you guys. VLSI training input called as seed keyword input is the phrase match. So now this ranks for best VLSI. See, the input is only one term. Ignore about all of this. The input is only VLSI training. Ignore about all of this. The input is only VLSI training. So now what happens? This input keyword which is bid in the phrase match can show your ads when people are searching best VLSI training on Google. VLSI training institutes. For this term also your ad will be shown. How are this getting triggered? These are getting triggered just because I have used this double quotes. So double quotes indicate show ads to any keywords pertaining to VLSI training. But make sure VLSI training is always together. Correct? VLSI training is always together. Succeeding it or preceding it, any term or any text can come. Are you all getting it? So if you observe it, preceding VLSI term, there is a text called best. Succeeding VLSI training, there is a text called near me. Succeeding VLSI training, there is a text called institute. Correct, guys? And now
Yes, sir.
it can continue to rank for any number of keywords like top VLSI training in Bangalore. See, practically it would have been quite difficult for you to input all these keywords. You can input all these keywords as well. So you can input any number of seed keywords to add group